guys, what's up? It's Tiffany Riley. Happy first day of October. We are almost through with 2020. I'm pretty sure all of us are over 2020 right now and everything like that. So today I am going to be starting my 31 days of Samhian. I think is how you pronounce it. Now if you don't know what Samhian is, it's basically it's a witchy holiday celebrating the people who have passed on, basically celebrating their lives that they have time, the lives that they lived here on earth, and just basically celebrating their life and everything like that. And so yeah, of course, or as most of you still celebrate Halloween, you know, this is basically 31 days of Halloween. Tiff's 31 days of Samhain, or Halloween. So for day one, I thought I would do a makeup inspired look from Miss Morticia Addams from the Addams Family. And I actually just recently started watching the Addams Family, and I am in love with the entire show already. So I thought I would do a makeup inspired look for you guys today, and yeah, so let's get started. First, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking foundation. I am going to be taking the Rare Beauty Weightless Liquid Foundation in the shade 210N. And I'm just going to be doing just a little bit on my face, just kind of dotting it. And I'm going to be taking an old blush brush and just kind of, depending on how much coverage you want, I normally don't do a lot of coverage when it comes to foundation. Now I don't have any concealer yet, nor do I have any powder, so I don't know. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to be taking is the e.l.f. Soothing Face Primer infused with aloe. I'm going to be doing a couple pumps of that, even though I'm not going to use all of it. Put it on my clean finger, put it on my eyelid. And I'm going to clean my hand off. I gotta go through all my palettes here just to find the right one. Next, I'm going to be taking the Rady Dust palette from Makeup Obsession, and I am going to, now this is going to be more of a kind of like a gray smoky eye. And I am going, the first shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Eclipse. I'm going to be taking like a dark black shade, and I'm going to be taking, if I can find it, a crease brush. Well, this is more of an eyeshadow brush, but, you know, we'll just go along with it. I would suggest, if you're not a pro at makeup, just kind of outline your eyes first. Well then, now I know which eye is lazy. Next, I'm gonna be taking the same brush, and I'm gonna be taking this shade Rosy Lee, and I'm gonna be placing that, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit and just tap it, or kind of just sweep it a little bit, so that way it gives it just a little bit of color. You don't want too much of the Rosy Lee. Just enough for a smoky effect. Now I'm going to be taking a flathead brush and the shade Sorcery and placing that on the lid for a more, I guess, dramatic effect is what you... For shimmery colors like this one, I would recommend tapping it. Alright. I don't even think she even uses highlighter. I don't think even Morticia even uses highlighter or anything like that. Now, if you want, you can put like eyeshadow underneath here, which I guess I can show you guys. But I'm going to be doing it with a lighter color. I can, I'm going to be taking I'm actually doing it with the lighter color. I'm going to be taking the Water Palette by Essence, and I'm going to be taking this shimmery gray and the eyeshadow brush that we just took not too long ago. Now, I do have a lazy eye, so that's why one eye is bigger than the other. Now, even though Morticia does not use highlighter, I thought I would go ahead and use just a little bit just to kind of brighten up this look just a little bit. I am taking the Liquid Luminizer by Rare Beauty in the shade Enlightened. And I'm just going to be putting just a little bit of that on my hand. Taking my clean finger and rubbing that a little. Like that. For this look, you don't want a lot of highlighter, you just want just a little bit. Just enough to kind of shine on Halloween, like a full moon. Catch my drift. Clean that off. Alright, and now for the lips, I am going to be taking the Wet n Wild Mega Last Stained Glass Lip Gloss in the shade Handle with Care. Grab a tissue and of course blot. Now you can use a darker color for this, but if you're going to go out all night, I would suggest to, or all day I should say, I would just suggest you use a lighter color. So, pull this in. Hold on a sec. Keep messing up here. Hold on a sec. Okay, so apparently, this is the completed look. This is kind of more of a, like I said, it's kind of gothy, but yeah. I'm going to finish it off with the Sheer Envy Setting Spray 24-Hour Wear and Hydration by Hard Candy. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys love it as much as I did creating it or doing it for you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic first weekend, I don't know how you would pronounce that. First weekend of October, and I will try my best to do videos every single day this month. I do have a lot of things going on in my personal life right now, so don't be all hesitant with me if I miss a couple of days or if I miss a day. I have a life out of social, aside from social media as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you guys soon.